Have you ever looked up at the night sky, felt the vastness of it all, and wondered, why? Why does the universe exist at all? It's a question that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and curious minds for centuries. Today we're diving into the deepest depths of this mystery, exploring theories that stretch from the edges of science to the most profound philosophical ponderings. Let's start with science. One of the most prominent theories about the universe's existence is the Big Bang theory. According to this idea, around 13.8 billion years ago, all matter, energy, space, and even time itself erupted from a single, infinitely dense point. But what caused this explosion of existence? What came before the Big Bang? Some physicists argue there wasn't a before. Time itself began with the Big Bang, making the question, what came before, irrelevant? Or does it? Theoretical physicist Sean Carroll has proposed that the universe could be part of a multiverse, an endless sea of universes, each popping into existence with its own set of rules. If that's the case, then perhaps the universe we see is just one of countless others. But why does even a multiverse exist? That's where philosophy takes center stage. Imagine the universe as a blank canvas, a canvas that for some reason decided to paint itself. The 17th century philosopher Gottfried Leibniz was one of the first to ask, why is there something rather than nothing? His answer? God, a necessary being who caused everything else to exist. But not everyone agrees. The philosopher David Hume argued that asking why the universe exists might be as absurd as asking why a stone is heavy. Some questions, he suggested, might not have answers that make sense to us humans. Meanwhile, some modern thinkers, like philosopher Derek Parfit, suggest that the existence of the universe could be a brute fact, something without an explanation. After all, not everything needs a reason, or does it? Here's where we weave in an intriguing tale. In the 1940s, physicist Wulfgang Po was grappling with the idea of why quantum particles exist in their strange, unpredictable ways. He found solace in an unlikely source, a dream. In it, he saw a Chinese woman painting a picture with a single brushstroke. It made him realize, maybe, just maybe, existence itself is like that single stroke, a singular, inexplicable act. And then there are those who look at it through the lens of mathematics. Max Tegmark, an MIT physicist, suggests that perhaps the universe exists because of the mathematical universe hypothesis. According to this theory, all structures that exist mathematically also exist physically. Imagine every mathematical equation you've ever seen. Now picture each of those equations manifesting a universe. It's a mind-boggling idea that stretches our understanding of reality to its limits. But then, what is reality? A philosopher might argue it's merely a construct of our perception. Think about Plato's allegory of the cave, where shadows on the wall are mistaken for reality by prisoners who have never seen the outside world. Are we, in some cosmic sense, those prisoners? So, does science give us the answer, or does philosophy? Are we just shadows dancing on a cosmic cave wall? Or are we explorers, gradually piecing together the grand puzzle of existence, one tiny fragment at a time? What if there's more to the universe than we can ever understand? Physicist John Wheeler once said, "We are not only observers, we are participators." Perhaps then, the universe exists not because of some grand answer, but because we are here to question it. But here's the thing. While we may not yet have a definitive answer, we have possibilities, each more intriguing than the last. Perhaps one day, a groundbreaking discovery will shed light on this profound mystery. Or maybe the answer will always remain just out of reach, a beautiful enigma that drives us to keep asking, keep searching, and keep wondering. Until next time, stay curious.